Oh my god. Dude, waterfall doesn't kill you anymore, man. It used to kill you like one hit.
I didn't even sign.
It like never kills you. Zach's tanked like 4 waterfalls already.
So that's the first time I've gotten hit by a waterfall in like months, dude.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, for real. I'm not really that bad.
No, dude, remember Goose?
Look at Zach went to the other side.
His minions still kill him.
The minion's still going.
Zach, I love PDM with you, dude. I don't know what it is. Yo, no. I got it. I got you, dude. Don't. I got you.
Below.
I vote.
Yeah.
He just escaped.
Zach,
He
you
didn't
do exactly.
even get a fleeting escape.
You're 30.
Listen, I'm black. I can do whatever I want.
Understood, dude.
I could take off all my armor and tank the waterfall.
Oh my god.
Gotta get those are important.
Oh, I got a freaking minion, dude.
Someone's laughing.
Can you step out? Can you step out?
I'll step out.
Oh my god.
I'll get it then.
Can you step out?
You're just gonna kill it?
Wow.
That's my bad.
That was gay.
Freaking retard.
Right.
You're fucking dumb. You're a dumb.
I can go out there and tank waterfall.